just installed the jam screws on the inside of the door here. There's 2 screws, top and bottom of each hinge on the Andersen 3000 door, here and here, and then the bottom one here and here. Now, I also like to put some 1-inch screws on the latch side here. This just secures the latch to the door frame, and it actually gives you a little more security. Now we're going to move on to installing the door handle set. Sorry this is black on black, but it's what I've got to work with. In the bag of screws for the door handle installation, you'll notice 1 screw, that's a flathead. That one goes to the deadbolt. There's 2 long screws that are round head. Those will connect the handles together, the escutcheons here, and then you have 1 little tiny short guy. That one goes with the latch plate there. So to install the handle, notice that on the handle here you have 3 little nubbies there. There's one that's smaller than the rest. In that case, it's this guy right here. Try to get a good angle. He's smaller than the rest, and that's because it can only fit one way in the escutcheon here. This is the small hole. So this handle has to be installed. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. The door handle has to be installed facing downward. It can only go in one way. So, in a perfect world, we'll get this installed. All right, I'll show you what it looks like when it's installed.